Hey guys, this is Nayana here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you my bridal skincare routine along with some skincare tips and also the products that I used to use during my whole wedding time. So a lot of you guys might already know that I got married last December and I thought it was high time that I made an Indian wedding series where I let you guys in on my experience being a bride, things that I learned, things that I followed and things that I executed. So I thought this might be helpful for a lot of brides to be who might be confused about a lot of things as I was, but I'm sure this would be helpful for others as well. So I decided to start this series with my bridal skincare routine and tips. So I'm going to be showing you guys the skincare routine that I followed as a bride and also the holy grail products that helped me maintain that great skin texture. So guys, we also have something to celebrate today because we finally crossed 500 subscribers, and like I promised you guys, I have this giveaway for all of you guys. So stay tuned till the end of this video to know more details about it. So now let's get on with my bridal skincare routine.
So I used to start every day with a face wash. So the best one that worked for me was Aroma Magic Lavender Face Wash. I tend to have a bit of a dry skin problem during the winter season. It worked amazingly on my skin and kept my skin from turning dry. So next comes the face scrub. So I discovered this charcoal face scrub from Innature. I've used other scrubs before, but this one was just too good. It smells so great too. Always apply it after washing your face. Apply it all over your face and scrub it gently using only your fingertips. I used to use it twice a week to get rid of all the accumulated dead cells. And it left my skin feeling so sparkly, clean and soft. Next, I used a skin toner, and the one I used was from Jovi's, a cucumber skin toner. I sprayed it onto my face, let it sit on my face for a minute, and then gently patted it into my skin. The moisturizer follows 5 minutes after I let the toner get absorbed. And for people suffering from dry skin, Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion is the bestest ever. And you just need a pea-sized amount of it for your entire face. So that's a definite win-win. And now the body lotion follows. So I use strawberry body butter from the Body Shop. This one smells so yummy and melts into your skin when you apply it. Always remember that your body needs as much of moisturization as your face. So don't skip it. So next comes the biggest step, the sunscreen. So I use Lotus Herbal's Safe Sun UV Screen Matte Gel. This has a SPF of 50 which helped when I was out for my wedding shopping. Never skip on it whenever you step out of the house. Apply a good amount of it all over your exposed body parts. So make sure that you apply a good amount of sunscreen at least 15 to 20 minutes before you step out. Now when coming to the night time, one step we have a tendency of skipping is taking off your makeup at the end of the day. And I use my DIY makeup remover which I had done in a previous video which I'll link for you guys to check out in the description box. That has been one that I've been following for a period of over 6 months now. This one is made with water, coconut oil and baby shampoo and takes off even stubborn makeup very easily. After removing the makeup, I repeat my routine of face wash and toner. So finally at night, I used to apply some night cream. So the night cream that I used was Just Herbs Aloe Vera Facial Massage Gel. It has a very soft texture that left my skin feeling really supple and hydrated. So using this night cream was something I started just a bit after my wedding got fixed and something I added to my earlier routine for that extra glow. So after I applied this cream, I headed back to my bed for a good night's sleep.
So now that you've seen my bridal skincare routine, I'm going to tell you a few of my skincare tips which I used to follow or things that I wish I followed a little bit more during my wedding time, which will definitely make your skin look really radiant on your big day. So to start with, I was never somebody who used to go to a beauty salon quite often for facials or skincare treatments. So I stayed away from it during my bridal routine too, because I didn't want to suddenly put my skin through a new routine which might agitate my skin and cause any sort of breakouts. If you guys are used to such kind of a skincare regimen, please continue doing that. I'm mentioning this mainly because being a bride, you're going to have a lot of people tell you that you have to start going to a salon to take care of your skin. But that's something that is completely up to you. Please don't go to a salon just because you are asked to. Go to it if you really want to. Make sure that you start this routine at least 3 months before so that your skin has good time to get used to that routine and so that it doesn't cause any reaction to your skin. And also if you're somebody with any kind of skin problem, make sure you consult a dermatologist before you start any kind of skin treatment, because the skin is one of the most delicate part of your body and you really don't want to go ahead with something that you don't know much about. So make sure you go and get some professional advice before you start with any of these routine. So secondly, water. Drink lots and lots and lots of water. People who are close to me would know by now that I'm somebody who hardly drinks a lot of water in a single day, and that has affected me a lot. So it did cause my skin to become really dry, because your skin needs water to maintain its hydration. So make sure that you do not make the mistake that I made, and make sure you drink as much water as you can in a day. Ideally 8 glasses in a day, but as much as you can, because it will affect your skin a lot. So number 3, reduce the junk food in your diet. But if you're somebody who can cut it off completely from your diet, then great, go ahead and do just that. But I know it's really hard to just cut it off completely. But try to reduce that considerably well so that it doesn't show in your skin, because it usually does make your skin look more oily and cause pimples. On your big day, you want your skin to look really glowy and not shiny. Glowy, not shiny. So make sure that you at least reduce the junk food a bit, because your skin is going to thank you for that. So number 4 is get enough sleep every day. I know it sounds ridiculous, but this is something I skipped on because of my work schedule, because I used to work every night, and because of that it caused me a lot of dark circles, which you probably would have noticed. And trust me, dark circles are not really easy to conceal, so you really don't want those to come out on your skin. So please do not do what I did and get something as simple as enough sleep every single day. So finally, don't stress too much. I know it's your wedding time and all the planning can get really stressful, but I've also gone through that, and through my experience I've learned that there is no point being stressed about something you have no control over. There is no point stressing over something and losing your sleep over it, because at the end of the day, everything is going to fall into its right place and everything is going to turn out fine. So don't stress yourself over every small thing. Just take a chill pill, keep yourself stress-free and stay happy. So that was the routine that I used to follow during my wedding time. It's not very different from what I usually do. So comment below and let me know if you guys want me to do a video on my everyday skincare routine. So now let's get to our giveaway. So this is the very first giveaway that I'm giving. So this is my way of showing you guys how much I appreciate your love and support. So what I'm going to be giving away is 2 sets of popular Korean skincare sheet masks. So there's going to be 2 winners who's going to win 5 sheet masks each. So the brands that I chose were The Face Shop and Dear Packer. They're both known for their Korean skincare products. So I've heard rave reviews about these sheet masks, and though I haven't tried it out yet, I'm hoping to try it out soon. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is check out and follow all the rules that are given in the description box below. And this giveaway ends on 15th of March 2018, so make sure that you enter by then so that you could be one of those 2 lucky winners. So thanks again for watching, you guys. So I'll see you again next time with another video. So till then, bye bye.